Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Forget everything you know about the humble family SUV. What you're looking at is a Honda CRV, reimagined. It's wider, meaner, and built to conquer terrain you'd never dream of in a standard crossover. The first thing that hits you is the stance. Look at those custom widebody fender flares. They give the CRV a muscular, aggressive silhouette. The rear features a stunning integrated LED light bar with illuminated Honda branding, replacing the traditional logo for a high-tech, modern aesthetic. It's not just about looks. This beast sits on heavy-duty all-terrain tires wrapped around lightweight, multi-spoke performance wheels. Notice the massive air vents behind the rear wheels, designed to manage airflow and keep the brakes cool during intense off-road sessions or high-speed runs. Whether it's a digital masterpiece or a glimpse into the future of custom SUVs, this CRV is a head-turner. Is this the coolest Honda ever made? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more.